Big Zim. Why Jim Shona?
Yo Vasi. I no joke thing.
MC10 artist.
Hello viewers and welcome to our channel with Jira TV. I'm your host Bridget and you can call me Brit. This is our second episode on Mind and Body. And today in the gym, at the Powers Gym, have Tino, our fitness trainer. Oh yes, everyone get ready. Because I can feel it. Today you're going to work out. Today you're going to do everything. Today you're going to do it. Put on your sneakers. Put on everything because it's a gym day. Oh, Tino, welcome.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Alright. So tell us, Diana Tino. Animakuri mangana. Anitanishiri.
Tindo, anonzi Tindo nditenda chikumba. I'm 21 years old. It's a fitness trainer in Machungu.
Alright, so what got you in fitness? Did you get to do with fitness?
Usually, I've been inspired in one of my big guys. And my uncle was a fitness trainer. Now he's retired, full job. You know, he used to push me at Tindo gym, takes. And I've got inspired. But later on, I realized that through fitness, overall health and those kind of stuff.
Alright.
Then now I'm just a fitness trainer.
Alright, so shout out to Kulejo, Magaita Tuani fitness trainer. So how can you motivate someone aningari feti or someone arikuda kupinda into fitness? What can you say to those people?
Okay, to those guys vanongari feti, those guys what I believe in is every guy can able to do my workouts. What you need to do is just to be committed, motivated, and when you get yourself some space and free up your mind. Have too much of fitness. Plus, you hit guys like us, stop us right.
Alright. So people like me can do fitness.
Yeah, I can do fitness.
Alright.
I can help you.
Alright. So what are your fitness icons or celebrities? Those who inspire you?
Okay, guys like Ulysses World, Kai Green and Big Run.
Alright.
Those European guys, yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
So in summary, a training program you have a client daily.
And got a client usually when wants to and those kind of stuff. First of all, before you make an adjustment, your diet must be balanced.
Alright.
Make sure your diet is balanced. If you just get to gym, guys, you just sit around.
Alright.
Then you work out. Your workout must be intense. What you just do to select workouts, I don't know. Your workout must be intense.
Okay.
Then you must also work on your cardio, guys.
Alright.
Basically, as for me, I work my cardio 4 to 3 times a week.
Alright.
Yeah.
So as a fitness trainer, do you encourage people to use supplements?
Okay, on supplements, what I need you to do, guys, first of all, gain the skills.
Okay.
The skills are important. Then when you gain other skills, you now know the way forward. You now choose your own supplement, which, this is the right supplement for me.
Alright.
You can't just go for supplements so that you put your doing the book.
Alright.
What you need to do, first, know the direction of your body, then choose the supplement.
Alright. So thank you, Tigo, for this short interview. So our viewers, it's about that time that I was talking about. Let's get ready to do it. Let's get ready to get fit. Let's get ready to exercise together. It's about time.
Hi guys, today I'm just building a partner. I'm with Bridget and we are doing squats, no? So in the count of 3, Bridget. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, nice. 2, 3,
Dopamine at the sound, girl I talk about. Fully charged anytime, man I touch road. A different thing, so we stand out. We are stand out, we are stand out. Me and me own man, me no take handout. We are stand out, we are stand out. Girl alone, me a pre, cocky time out. We are stand out, we are stand out. Me and me own man, me no take handout. Me a stand out, me a stand out. Girl alone, me a pre, cocky time out. Girl around me a pre, cocky time out. Brace pan back anytime you climb out. set it up, fi me ram it up hardcore. And now me bad man push up on your hand too. No man can tell we have to run town. Inna me clocks and Jordan when me touch road. Dopamine king, how are you talk about? No girl can tell we say we lit down the hookoo. Cocky magician girl, me na use voodoo. Cocky magician but me na use juju. Queen pandy cocky, make you go cuckoo. Girl is from me one man other is susu. We a stand out, we a stand out. Me a me own man, me no take handout. We a stand out, me a stand out. Girl alone, me a pre cocky time out. Me a stand out, me a stand out. Me a me own man, me no take handout. We a stand out, we a stand out. Girl alone, me a pre cocky time out. We a stand out, we a stand out. This a the dopamine king. We a stand out, we a stand out. MC10 artist. We a stand out, we a stand out. We a stand out, we a stand out. Yo Maliki.
1, 2,
3,
3, yes. 4,
fixing.
5, yes. 6, go. 7.
Y'all alone, me a pre, cocky time
9,
out.
yes. 10. Move on. Let's go. Take on 3. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, go. 2, yes. 3, go. 4, squeeze. 5, yes. 6, go. Straight. 7, yes. 8, let's go.
Alright guys, I done it. Lashanganas. I believe at home we did the same. Okay, thank you guys for watching our show, Mind and Body, and thank you guys for always loving, liking, and watching Gojira TV. Team, if they want to know you, if they want to follow you on social media,
Yeah, hit me guys on Facebook, Tendai Chikumba, Instagram, Tendai Chikumba, and you can even hit me on app 0788 980 580.
Alright, thank you Tindo for having us at Powerhouse.
Yeah.
I'm so tired guys. Thank you for watching. Love you and always master. Know that Corona is really today. Bye. Viewers and welcome to our show.
Push. Let's go. Stay there. Akwana, Tindo, love me by his hands. Pull up with that. Pull up. Do that to the shoot. Safira.
Alright, so tell us, which Tendai, Dana is Tendai, Anima Manga, I don't believe Tendai.
Tendai Chikumba.
Okay.
I'm 21 years old. I'm a mushroom. I don't have a fitness.
Sorry,